can money buy happiness? Maybe, but it sure can buy supercars. Unfortunately, it can't buy common sense. In today's video, we're diving into the most outrageous supercar fails ever caught on camera. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of our videos. A Porsche 911 Turbo S hit a dip in the road, causing concern among onlookers. While the impact appeared jarring, there's hope that the 911 didn't sustain any serious damage. This Mercedes AMG GT loses it while leaving a meet. A rare Lamborghini Miura was caught on fire, causing alarm among those nearby. Thank God, a fire extinguisher was close at hand, and someone quickly stepped in to put out the flames, preventing serious damage to the iconic car. Someone had a mental breakdown. The woman became visibly upset with the driver of an Aston Martin, accusing him of disturbing the peace. She expressed her frustration, insisting that the noise from the luxury car was disruptive to the neighborhood. This Lambo owner is not a chill guy. Finally, someone is putting this rare Vanquish Zagato shooting brake to good use.
It is. No.
Well, that is a pretty close one. This Lamborghini Huracan shows signs of wear and tear, bearing a few battle scars that hint at a spirited driving history. At the Goodwood members meeting, a Ford GT40 spun out on the track, coming dangerously close to hitting a wall. The near miss startled spectators, but the driver managed to regain control just in time, avoiding what could have been a serious crash. During the GR8 International Car Show in Belgium, a rare Koenigsegg Jesko was involved in an unfortunate accident when it was rear-ended by a Porsche. The incident drew significant attention, given the exclusivity and value of the vehicles involved. This Ferrari F50 is overheating and leaking coolant. Definitely not a good sign. Ouch. A curtain rod unexpectedly fell onto a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport at IANS Auto Show in Amsterdam. Let's just hope there are hopes no visible damage was done to the paint. A Porsche GT3 RS lost control and crashed into a tree in Florida.
Oh shit!
Another Porsche GT3 RS blew something while constantly revving. When you own a $4 million Bugatti, but it's not even working. Andrew Tate hit a speed bump to fast, scraping the front lip of his Bugatti Chiron for sport. Who do you think is to blame in this situation? What are the chances they hit a Porsche Turbo S instead of a regular commuter car? A LaFerrari scraped a few cones as it exited a parking garage. Someone spotted a totaled 720S in Brazil. The BMW M3 competition was struck when another driver ran a stop sign. The Ferrari SF90 crashed in the rain while driving in Russia. An Audi R8 caught fire while refueling during a track event at the Spa circuit in Belgium. This is getting way out of hand. So, what was he staring at?
Having all the fun out there. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Turbo Racing. Audi's deciding to take his own course now. The Audi, understandably, has parked up. So let's get the oh!
The Mercedes-AMG GT slid into a wall during a Brands Hatch event.
Well, that's what bumpers are there for, and of course that's why the concrete is...
Typical BMW owners. This M4 attempted to show off in New York, hitting both a police car and a parked car owned by the video creator. The driver then tried to flee the scene after a cars and coffee event in Cypress, Texas. A Ferrari F8 Tributo lost traction and crashed into a concrete barrier. A Lamborghini Murcielago is causing a traffic jam in Mexico City. What do you think happened? Accidents can happen in the blink of an eye. I hope this guy is not gonna be blacklisted by car rental companies. The guy in the vest refused to help. Oops. Looks like the Ferrari was auditioning to be the Drift King. Close call for this Audi RS3. Are BMW drivers becoming the new reckless Mustang drivers? I'm wondering what actions the driver might be taking that could be causing this issue. This is why having 1,200 horsepower doesn't always guarantee a win. He was more than ready to race. So, did the crowd overreact? This is what happens when you put a cheap aftermarket hood on your Jeep and try to go fast.
The fucking hood!
A recently purchased Ferrari to 9.6 in Brazil was being driven for an oil change when things took a turn for the worse. Fortunately, the driver was unharmed. This could have been so easily avoided.
Das ist was zum Ohren, sagt der Hagel.
So, what is this man trying to accomplish? Do you really feel bad for these type of drivers? At least the exhaust sound of the Pagani makes up for this fail. When the gym room gets bored, you do it on top of your car. A Corvette C8 was backed into while parked on the street. The owner knew exactly what to do, recording the entire incident as it happened.
I knew it. That's why I was standing here, bro. I knew it. I knew it. All right, bro. Got to give me your insurance.
That shit right in dry.
A Porsche 911 Turbo was rear-ended by a Mercedes while parked on the curb.
No, this is my car, man. Yeah.
Perfect. Were you driving?
No, I parked here.
Parked?
It was parked here.
Can you get your driver's license?
Jeez.
That was such a tight gap. Well, good luck to this guy's car insurance. You can't park there. Why did the SUV reverse straight to the Porsche? There's definitely a lot to unpack here.